Today we're in Annapolis, Maryland.
Jeremiah's home with the kids.
And we have guests.
Welcome, John.
Hey.
You might know this face.
Happy birthday to you.
And we're celebrating Bryn's first birthday.
Heading on over to Ohana to start the shenanigans.
Before we take our patrons out for a sail. And Jeremiah will get all sorts of belligerent.
Come on, YouTube.
Ready to come aboard Calypso's sister ship? Let's do it. Today we're going aboard Ohana.
Like a higher water line. I raised the front 6 inches but not the back, and then I trimmed that blue line so it actually looks like it's supposed to be like that.
Dave and Lori have graciously opened their yacht for the Lazy Geckos sailing meet and greet. This morning we're stopping by to drop off some supplies and get all the logistics worked out before the guests arrive tomorrow.
You gotta make yourself at home if you want to make this work well. The back room we'll use.
Shoes go off, right?
Yes, we have baskets. We'll be putting out to collect shoes.
Okay.
But I mean, for this limited.
It was kind of strange. It looks like Calypso, but it's not.
So I figured all your supplies,
Okay, perfect.
other than that cooler.
And you said outside there was a fridge that we could use as well, right?
By tonight, I'll probably drink half of those, so there'll be
Okay.
plenty right.
The meet and greet is tomorrow. We had too many people RSVP for everyone to make the sail, so we'll have two groups. One group will be enjoying a sail aboard Ohana, while the second will enjoy sundowners on the mooring ball during sunset.
Or one's for the afternoon, one's for night.
Okay.
What did you think of the boat show?
It was good.
Yes! What was your favorite part?
Probably the pirate ship. We got to walk on board, and I think their Instagram is Pride of Baltimore. It's very beautiful.
Yes!
Yeah, I got to chill on there for a little bit.
Jessica is one of our older daughters. You might remember her from earlier episodes. She's all grown up now and has become such a fabulous person.
How about Pussers? That's the famous bar.
Yep, good beer, good drinks. I have my favorite beer
Let me see. Why is that your favorite beer?
because I worked at Stone.
Oh! Tell me, what does it taste like, Jess?
It's a sour. A lot of people don't like it, but it's imperial, so that means it's 8%, which means you get drunk quicker, which is better.
Oh, yeah. Jessica's first boat show
Woo!
down.
Yep.
Actually, I think we came here like 8 years ago and did a boat show.
But it doesn't count because we didn't have a boat. Now we do.
I was the one that got to let her experience the boat show with me. I'm the lucky one.
Yep.
There is a random car parked in our driveway. We are so close that we're able to walk to our house, which is so nice.
I know.
Jeremiah's home with the kids. I feel bad for him. I'm just joking.
Girls' Day.
Girls' Day.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Woo! Let's go see Dad.
Our VRBO was just a few steps away from the docks.
Hello?
Jessica met us in Maryland to hang out as well as help us with the kids during events. We also have another guest that traveled in for the show.
Welcome, John.
Hey.
Hey.
I survived. We're back again.
He drove all the way from Kentucky.
All the way from Lexington, Kentucky. And now we're here for another boat show.
That's right. We went and destroyed the boat show. Now we're going to get our cake on, and then it'll be boat show shenanigans. Happy birthday, Bryn.
And it's Bryn's first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Lightheaded. Stand by, more coming in.
We always end up having so much fun together. This was a special moment that we'll remember forever.
Here we go, ready? Happy birthday, dear Freddie. Happy birthday to you.
Heading on over to Ohana to start the shenanigans.
Yeah, looking forward to, should have a little bit of sailing today because there's a little bit of wind.
Yeah, I'm excited. We got Jessica with the kids at the house. John's gonna meet us with the platters. Jeremiah's got the ice. It's a crispy, beautiful morning, busy. People are already lined up outside. We're gonna go do our little day sail. I think we have about 17 people for the day sail, and then we'll go into the nighttime fun.
It was just a short walk to the water taxi. We'll take that out to Ohana. She's resting on a mooring right outside of the show. This is also the same way our guests will arrive.
Pecking order of who's in charge. Of course, I'll be the main one. Then it'll be Jeremiah. Then it'll be Brittany. Now, if you go to John, ask him how many fingers you have up. If he can count, then John can also be in a group. Otherwise, just stick with the three of us.
Then we dropped the lines and made our way out into the lovely Chesapeake Bay. What a cool way to spend time with patrons and friends. We were so grateful, and the weather was perfect.
And you keep pulling. Okay, lock her in. Bouncing around on you. Good. Perfect.
We've met each and every one of these wonderful people through our sailing channel. Some of them are planning their own adventure and looking for a boat. Others already have or have owned a vessel. And some just want to hang out. No matter what the reason, we're happy we've become such great friends.
Click in and neutral. Keep going. All the way back neutral. All right, so wait for a second. I always forget to do this. That does the max props.
Okay,
Sorry.
I was like, surprise.
You know, it feels like home up here, but a little nerve-wracking because it's different. I'm kind of lost.
Right.
We don't have
Different boat.
BG. Like, okay,
Yeah.
a little bit. These,
I know.
much different.
Calypso has electronic throttles while Ohana has cables. The winds were fine and it was time to enjoy Ohana doing her thing. One item we wanted to do is get Captain Dave's input on his B&G chart platters, which we'll be installing soon.
You feel like it's pretty user-friendly?
Oh, very much so. But it has so much in it, it's ridiculous.
We're so looking forward to installing our own. It was time to head back to the ball and park this sexy lady. The day was wonderful. We couldn't have imagined it going any better. Thank you to everyone that attended. This was our first meet and greet at the boat show, and we're pumped about how it went. And that includes the Sunset Cocktail crew that came aboard later, which ended up being the Party Into the Night crew. Dave and Lori, you guys are the best. Thank you for opening up your lovely yacht. Then on the way back, Jeremiah noticed that the YouTube banner was missing our logo, which was an honest mistake and totally not a big deal. But screw it, we're tagging it.
Hey, Jeremiah, get in.
Sorry, Jeff. It's all in good fun.
I push it and put it on 5. I don't know, these are on 4.
Perfect.
You do it.
How'd you think last night went?
It was fantastic. We had such a great time.
I agree.
I couldn't imagine that any better. It was really a great time.
Yeah.
How about you?
It was better than I expected it to be. Everybody was amazing.
It
It
was
was
so awesome. So sweet. Everybody was so
welcoming,
fun.
loving,
Yeah. Dave,
positive.
Yeah. Amazing. The boat was beautiful. The sail was
Perfect.
come on.
I
It
know.
was perfect. Yeah.
Everything was absolutely perfect. Feeling it today.
Went over some friends. They invited us over to the boat afterwards for some drinks. That was fun.
Yes.
Broke your breast pump somehow.
My breast pump failed me.
Yeah.
But this champagne won't.
Good morning.
Morning.
You want to film John?
That was glorious sleep. That was glorious sleep.
6 a.m.
Did you?
We both woke up at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just popped champagne and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start the bacon. John will smell it and he'll come down.
Yes.
All
And
right.
I lost my voice along with you. So
Me too. It's
That's
like,
all the alcohol.
It's the
Yeah, no, it's not.
No, it's not sick. It's not sick.
No, you'd be sick before you lost your voice. All right. Well, I'm going to make this.
Would you like the YouTube sailing channel experience? You can get it aboard Ohana, located in the beautiful Chesapeake Bay. Captain Dave is taking charter reservations now. It's a great affordable option compared to flying internationally. Visit the link in the description for more information. Coming up,
Oh, we're just getting back from the boat show.
Do the electrical upgrade. Going from 600 to 1200 amps.
It'll be sexy. Hang on to your lug nuts. Calypso's getting an overhaul.
Told you, spotless.
This was the original box, and then we're gonna have 2 B&Gs right here.
Does that, right?
And we're taking you along for the ride. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.